Nope, nothing up there. Oh, my stomach is so empty. I'm so hungry. I wish I had a honey. Jackpot! Wow!
Whoa! A Barrot! Half bear, half parrot, and half beehive? You need some help there.
Oh, so sorry about that. I didn't mean to sting you. Although, I am going to have to ask you for that hive back. It is our house, you know.
Don't worry, we're on it. Billie, do you copy?
We've got an Odd-Paw in need of help.
Read you loud and clear, Nova. What's wrong?
We've got a Barrot with a bee sting.
And a beehive on his head.
Yikes. All right, Nova, we're on our way. An Odd-Paw needs help.
Better get set.
This job's for Billie.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! Otoscope. Half bear, half parrot. This Odd-Paw is our friend Barrot. Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna get you out of that beehive in no time. Yeah, whatever you said. This way. Nope.
And now, in you go. Into the opulence.
Please bring it back in one piece. The other bees will be very upset if their house gets damaged.
Don't worry, we'll be back soon. Okay, let's bring in our Odd-Paw patient.
I did not sign up for a workout.
Right. First things first, we need a little smidge of ointment for that bee sting.
Ooh, I'm on it.
She said a smidge rocks.
There. Feeling better?
Oh, much better.
And now the trickier part, getting that beehive off your head. Yep, that's wedged on pretty tight. We're gonna have to be super careful so we don't damage the hive. It's no good. The honey is too sticky.
And too delicious.
Rocks? You're drooling everywhere. Like always.
Wait, that's it. We need to make him drool. Then the beehive will slide right off. You know, with this honey, we can make some delicious flapjacks.
And some honey-glazed carrots.
Honey-glazed carrots?
And a big honeycomb banana split sundae.
Banana split sundae? And spaghetti with honey.
It's working! It's working! I'm gonna pull off the slobbery beehive now. We did it!
I'm free! Now, where are those honey-glazed carrots?
Here you go, Queen Bee. Good as new. And without a Barrot hanging off it.
Wonderful! The other bees will be so pleased. And this is for you, your very own jar of honey, for the next time you're feeling a little peckish.
Peckish? Thanks, your royal queenness. And sorry for all the trouble. And thank you guys. You make me feel all better.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet.
Outside, a little help.
All quiet out here, Billie. Coming in for a milk break.
We'll have it ready for you.
Whoopsie.
Hold that milk, Billie. We might have trouble after all. Thank you. Billie, what do you know about talking turtle shells?
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump for Billie.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. Come on, Rocks. We got a turtle duck to unstuck. Get it, Rocks? Duck to unstuck. Hey, Rocks?
Oh, who's a cute widow egg?
Nova, you want to help me while Rocks babysits the egg?
I could, but then who's going to babysit Rocks?
Well, I guess I'm flying solo. Hello, my name's Billie, and I'm here to help. What's your name?
Durtle.
Nice to meet you. Okay, if I have a look inside your shell? Thank you. Otoscope. Sounds like you're really stuck. Are you feeling okay in there?
I'm okay. Just embarrassed and worried about my egg.
No need to be embarrassed. These things happen. And your egg is in excellent paws. Well, 4 of them, actually.
Ooh, the egg is hatching!
False alarm, but we'd better get you back to the clinic and out of your shell before your baby hatches. She's really stuck in there. Right, team? Team? What are you doing in there?
Ah.
Ah. Okay, Durtle, I'm gonna try to pull you out now. Try to relax. Okay. Sorry, I can't hear you right now. But I almost... Oh, yes, I see that now. Don't worry, we'll figure this out. This grease should loosen things up.
Ah.
This is tougher than I expected. Mind if I borrow that feather? Durtle, I'm gonna try something a little odd. Maybe I can tickle you out with this feather. Welcome back.
It's hatching!
Oh, if not for you, I'd have missed my baby's hatching.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet.
We're also available for babysitting.
Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet. My favorite book, the Rockin' Book of Rhamster Tales. Once upon a Tim? Who's Tim? There once was a Rhamster who lived in a why did they print the word so small? Big old wobble on the longest. Oh, it's okay. I'm okay. Whoa! Ow, my head. Oh, I better go see Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Remember what you promised Billie. No napping. Go away, Snuggle Flumps. What? Who's there?
I'm down here.
So you are. Whoa, I've never seen a horn with a book growing out of it. Follow me into the clinic. Hey, look! I'm a guide dino dog.
Hey, Rox, you got a new Odd-Paw patient for us.
What? Who said that? Who's there?
That'd be me.
Ha! Hey, Billie.
We've met this Odd-Paw before. Otoscope, let's go. Half rhino, half hamster, this Odd-Paw is our friend, Rhamster.
Oh, don't worry, little guy. We'll get you fixed up in no time. An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This job's for Billie.
The Odd-Paw Vets. Let's go. Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. Just gotta get this book off first. Nice and careful. And an ice pack for that bump on your head. Whew. Thanks, Billie. Okay, see you later.
Wait. Hold on a minute. You didn't tell us how this happened in the first place.
Oh, right, yeah. Well, I was reading my favorite book, but the writing was so small. I tried to get a closer look. Fell over, got it stuck on my horn, fell off the branch and bumped my head. Then I came here and fell over a bunch more times. I think I see the problem. You need an eye test. Rox, fetch the chart, please.
Leave it up to the dino pup.
Eye test? There's nothing wrong with my eyes. I think you might even need glasses. Here, can you tell me what this is? A trumpet. And this? The sun?
I'm afraid they're actually fruits.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, Rhamster. Glasses are nothing to be afraid of. In fact, they make you look kinda awesome. Whoa! If you have the right lenses, that is.
Nova's right. No one's eyes are the same. So we gotta pick the right pair of lenses for your eyes. Here, just look through the holes and tell me what I'm pointing at. Lens number 1.
Tennis ball?
No. Let's try lens number 2.
Cabbage.
Closer, but no. Lens number 3.
Ah, easy. It's an apple.
No, no, I mean, yes, you got it. These lenses are just perfect for your eyes.
See? Told you my eyesight was fine.
Nova, if you could fetch our finest pair of number 3 lenses, please.
I'll deal with that. I'm a unicorn cat.
I can see. I can read. Thanks, Billie.
You're welcome, Rhamster.
Now, where was I? A little help.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Such beauty, such style, such grace. Shame I've got no pals here to appreciate how great I look. Especially on Palentine's Day. Or maybe I do. Ha! There! You're the second most handsome fleep in the flock. Wait, 2 doesn't count as a flock. We'll soon fix that. Now that's a sight for sore eyes. Owie! I'm covered in splinters. Ouch! And I'm hideous. No!
Well, that doesn't sound good. Everything okay over here?
It's far from okay. I look horrible.
Copy that, Nova. We're on our way. Rocks!
Rocks?
Happy Palentine's Day, Billie.
Happy Palentine's Day, Rocks. But we gotta go. An Odd-Paw needs our help.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This job's for Billie.
The Odd-Paw Vets. Let's go! Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
This Odd-Paw needs more space. The Oddulence is just the place.
Billie, you gotta help me. It's a prickly, stickly style emergency.
We've met this Odd-Paw before. Otoscope, let's go. Half flamingo, half sheep. This Odd-Paw is our friend, Fleep.
Don't worry, Fleep. We'll get you cleaned up and splinter-free in no time.
Team, let's get our long-legged friend into the Oddulence and back to the care clinic.
Right this way, sir.
It's this one, Rocks.
Oh. Right this way, sir.
I'll be back soon, my Fleep friends. In full health and looking better than ever. Ooh, I get my own catwalk. Smile for the cameras. That's not me, is it? Tell me that's not me.
It's okay, Fleep. We've dealt with much messier Odd-Paws in this clinic. You're in safe hands.
I trust you.
But first, we've got to sort out those splinters. Nova?
I'll deal with that. I'm a unicorn cat.
Now I'm gonna need you to stay very, very still.
I can't promise anything.
Yow! Ah!
You're doing great. And, and done.
Huh. Well, that wasn't so bad. Stingy, stingy!
I'm sorry. This antiseptic wash will help keep it clean and heal faster.
It's okay. I'm a brave Fleep. Deep breaths. Come on, you got this.
Now, if you'd like to pass through to our salon, Rocks and Nova will clean up that wool of yours.
Now this is what I'm talking about. Nope. No. No way. Haha, I look and feel amazing. Thank you. I can't wait to show the Tree Fleeps.
Why did you make all those tree fleeps, by the way?
Well, it's Palentine's Day, and I didn't have any fleep pals, so I made some.
You don't have to be friends with just fleeps, you know. You've got 3 pals right here.
And we like you a whole lot more than a bunch of trees do.
I don't know what to say. This is the best Palentine's Day ever.
I just forgot one thing. Here you go.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet.